let's get started. Basically, we need to be really sure that we meet the eligibility criteria for Facebook Marketplace. So then there will be 5 other steps including this one. Alright, in your mobile, go ahead and open up Facebook, then move on to the menu page. And from here, tap on Setting and Privacy option. Now in the next page, go click Account Center and click here again on Personal Details. Then your birthday option once more. Well, so now you gotta see here if you're above 18 years old or if not. And in case maybe you're not, you can update your date of birth by clicking on the option of Edit. Alright, the second step is update the app Facebook to the latest version. So for that, in the Play Store or App Store from your mobile, search for Facebook. After that, you will find 2 options, either to update or open the app Facebook. So you need to do in this case just one of them accordingly, then finally check out if the issue has been fixed. Third solution, let's clear now all the caches in our Facebook app. Just to do so, now get back to Facebook app, then move on to the menu page and tap on Settings at the top here. After that, scroll down till you find Browser option just under Preference section. Open it up, then once in there, tap on this clear button right here. Select then clear once more, so it's done. The fourth solution. Now on this part, ensure that there is a good and stable internet connection. So then go on and open up setting from your mobile. After that, turn on airplane mode for like a minimum of 60 seconds. Then turn it off again, and similarly you can switch to a network if you're using Wi-Fi, switch to data or vice versa. So by doing all this, you can see if the problem is solved. Well, now the fifth solution is to contact Facebook support team. To do so, simply open up the menu page on Facebook and scroll down, then click on Help and Support. And from here, you tap the option of Report a Problem. Just tap then on Include. And scroll down, then choose Marketplace. Now here is the main section in this part. Just explain everything about that marketplace not working for you. Finally, you tap on Send a Report once you finish up. Alright, that's all in this video.